0 to 1 Summary, Peter Thiel, 15 Lessons, 0 to 1 Notes on Startups is a book by Peter Thiel, a famous American investor and entrepreneur. In it, he describes the major ways in which you can be a successful entrepreneur and how to craft the best company you possibly can. #1 Focus on one thing. Peter Thiel claims that successful entrepreneurs will not spread their efforts too thinly across a diverse portfolio of different business ideas or backup careers. Instead, the truly successful will put all of their effort behind one unique idea or business plan and throw all of their weight behind that effort. This way is the only consistent method behind monopoly creation. To the 80-20th rule. Many self-help and financial books also use this rule to demonstrate the universal truth. 80% of your profits or yield will be produced by 20% of your customers or products. Thus, maximizing efficiency involves focusing most of your efforts on improving the producing 20% of your product or business model and ignoring the other 80% as much as possible. #3 Monopolies are good. To the entrepreneur, a monopoly is the finish line. To be a monopoly is to enjoy no competition and to have market dominance over your niche or product type. This is the ideal position for any business to be in, and it's what you should focus on when developing your new idea or determining which path to take your business in. #4 Invest early. Maximizing retirement savings should be a key interest to any successful entrepreneur. Maximizing those savings through your Roth IRA or 401k by investing as soon as you can will lead to greater dividends as you age and will generate wealth much more quickly than you might think. #5 Ignore the common wisdom. Entrepreneurs that are successful never get there by listening to others and iterating on ideas that have already been proven. To be successful, to truly create one from zero, you'll need to think for yourself and come up with a new product or solution that people don't already know that they need. #6 Don't be a jack of all trades. Well-roundedness is a college-level myth that stalls too many people from achieving their maximum potential. Instead, you should focus on a single thing, ideally the best thing you can do or create and give that all of your effort. This will create opportunity and excellence and will use your limited time and energy most efficiently. This will create opportunity and excellence and will use your limited time and energy most efficiently. #7 Be an optimist. While the path to success will undoubtedly be littered with failure and setbacks, you must always keep an optimistic mindset and focus on the future. This will keep you going when necessary and prevent you from stumbling when it appears to be too difficult to continue. #8 Learn how to sell. Figuring out the right product or market strategy is only one piece of the entrepreneurial success puzzle. Peter Thiel explains that successful entrepreneurs must also know how to sell their product or service for it to truly produce a return on investment. If you aren't already good at selling, become better. If you are good, become better anyway. #9 Automation is not the solution. Thiel insists that focusing on automation is an entrepreneurial dead end. Instead, it's wiser to focus on the complementary abilities of both humans and computers. He advises that you should focus on building a business or product that leans on this principle of complementariness and focus on things that can leverage the power of man and machine. #10 People are power. Thiel also recognizes that the people that make up a company drive a huge amount of its potential, success or failure. If your company utilizes other talent, you need to make sure that you bring out the best from every person who works for your company. If you aren't already a great leader who inspires excellence, how can you change this? If you are a good leader, focus on becoming even better. #11 Business moments happen once. There are historical business lightning in a bottle moments that cannot be captured again. As an example, Thiel explained that no one else will ever create a social network away Zuckerberg did when he made Facebook. Don't try to copy these moments. Instead, forge a new path and create new lightning in a bottle. Business legends that others will fail to emulate from you. #12 There's no formula. Despite there being many books advising entrepreneurs And business starters, Thiel, explains that there's no winning formula to success. Instead, consistent success is normally found in people, entrepreneurs who constantly push themselves and excel at creating inventing solutions or products that people do not yet know that they need. Number 13, important truth. Arguably the biggest take away in this book is Peter Thiel's question, what important truth do vary people agree with you on? This question is frequently used for interviews, and your answer to it may reveal a potential pathway for your efforts or future business. It also trains your brain to think critically and break from the common consensuses about typical debates or ideas. Focusing on the rare truth you agree on is critical for any successful entrepreneur. Number 14, last is better than first. While being truly creative, creating one from zero is important. It's often more profitable and even more important to be the last developer in a given market or field, having the last laugh as it were. For instance, changing computer operating systems into their final iteration will afford you greater success and profits than the person who invented the first computer operating system. Keeping this in mind when developing your next business venture may yield better success. 15 New thinking is key. Thiel argues that in any startup, a company's greatest strength is how agile and new its thinking is. It's not the space that it occupies or the number of people who comprise the startup. Startups that are truly unique and who look at the problem they are trying to solve in original ways will be stronger overall than startups with fancy offices or lots of talented workers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.